Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making crispy fried hot sauce chicken tenders. These tenders, guys, are easy to make at home. Every bite as delicious as your favorite restaurant. If you want fun and easy meal that whips up quickly, you have to make these chicken tenders. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. There you have it, guys. Crispy fried hot sauce chicken tenders. I hope you'll try this recipe. One thing I like about this recipe, you can doctor up your flour mixture any way that you like, that suits your needs and flavor preference. The chicken tenders have a nice light crunch to them that is not overpowering or hard. I think they are perfect, guys. I absolutely adore them. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.